Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian potato salad. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need Irish potatoes, which form the foundation of this delicious dish. Mayonnaise is crucial for that signature creamy texture, and a mix of colorful vegetables like carrots, green beans, and peas will add both flavor and visual appeal. Don't forget the hard-boiled eggs, a classic component that makes this salad truly special. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Boil your potatoes until they are tender, then peel and dice them into small, uniform cubes. Next, cook your carrots, green beans, and peas until they are crisp tender, retaining some bite. Hard-boil your eggs, cool them completely, then peel and chop them. Finally, finely dice some onions and bell peppers to add a fresh, aromatic kick to your salad. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your diced potatoes, cooked vegetables, and chopped eggs. Now, add a generous amount of mayonnaise, a spoonful of mustard, and a touch of vinegar for that perfect tangy balance. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and coated in the creamy dressing. For the best flavor, refrigerate your Nigerian potato salad for at least 1 hour. This allows all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley or a few extra slices of hard-boiled egg for an appealing presentation. And for more great tips on managing your finances, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Serve your chilled potato salad as a delightful side dish or a light, satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.